guys, how's everyone doing? So today I want to bring you another product. This one fits the MDX here. It's a great product. I'm really happy with it. I think every car should have one for sure, especially depending on where you live. But I want to show you what I picked up here. So this one, it's again from the company Pigenius. If you remember, I got one for my TLX. It's a nice sunshade here. What I like about these, they fit perfectly. They do a great job of keeping your car cool. And they do not cost what the OEM ones cost. Now this one has a nice soft back. This is their ultimate line. So this one's a little bit more upgraded than the one I did for my TLX. Really nice. This one's almost identical to, if you guys heard of Covercraft. Nice and thick. It'll fit perfect. And this one right now for the MDX is $59. They range in price, but they have them for almost any vehicle. So definitely check them out. So here's what it looks like installed. And what I like about these, like I said, it's a perfect fit. It goes around the radar right there. And the Ultimate line has the flat gray look, so it's not shiny. And then they have their premium line, which has the shiny silver. So it depends what you guys are looking for. This is a more rigid sunshade. Does a great job though, covering the whole window. Like I said, I have a Covercraft 2 from a previous vehicle and it's almost identical. And those are about $100. So you can check it out here. So what I like about it, see the coverage? Like I could push this up here more and then hold it tighter with the sunshades. But what I like is it's not so tight that it makes it almost impossible to fit around that radar. If you get it so snug, it's so hard to try to use this. So this is a perfect design. If you're going to use it every day, you want it easy to remove and put in your vehicle. Easy to store. They give you a little carry bag with it. Really nice, guys. I would definitely check them out. Check the link in the description. Like I said, this one's $59. It depends what vehicle you have, but they're not going to be $100. And they do the same job as the really expensive ones do. And it's a great thing, especially with these cars nowadays with the big screens on the front. I've noticed if you don't protect the sun from coming in from the windshield, they get kind of haywire if it gets really hot, and especially if you live somewhere where it gets over 100, they can act kind of finicky because you have the guts of the infotainment system right there just getting blasted by the sun. So it's definitely a great idea to protect it, and it helps also get some privacy in your car. If you leave something on the seats or something, if you have tinted windows, this helps darken it up as well. So I would definitely use one. I use one every single day. Helps keep the sun off my dash, protect it for the longevity. So again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Again, it's a great product. Check them out. Like I said, you're not going to break the bank buying one. So I hope you guys are having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate all the support I'm getting. I really do. If you haven't, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. I have videos coming out weekly. And some to do with Acuras, Hondas, and some just have to do with vehicles in general to keep you guys informed. Because I know we all drive different vehicles as well. So again, I appreciate it, guys. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.